Welcome to Middle Class Matters Business News in English from Dr. CMA Allegation. M3M updates. Today we will be discussing on various updates in this matter, which is important for the people who have purchased M3M flats and who have not taken possession. You can take your legal steps to get the possession, because even if the case is referred to NCLT, the people who have given money for buying the flats will get preference, and they can appoint an alternative developer for developing your project and taking possession of your flat. ED attaches judges' relatives properties in Gurgaon. Car driver Puran Bahadur made as director in M3M. So there are two news items. One is a car driver of one of the directors of M3M was made as director in M3M company, and the M3M group company executives have tried to bribe the judge of a court in Gurgaon, and the judge's relatives' properties have been attached in Gurgaon. Point number 1. Enforcement Directorate attaches the properties of suspended Judge Sudhir Parmar's relative as proceeds of crime in the judge bribery case. So the properties attached or as proceeds of crime under PMLA Act, Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Point number 2. A residential plot in Sector 82, Gurugram, valued at Rs 4.59 crore in the name of Pushpa Devi, Parma's sister-in-law, and agricultural land in Samka village, value Rs 3 crore in the name of Rohit Tomar and Ajay Parmar. These properties have been attached by the Enforcement Directorate. Anti-Corruption Bureau relied on WhatsApp chats and voice recordings that IREO and M3M paid Rs 5 crore to Judge Parmar and negotiated further payment of Rs 5 to 7 crore for favoring M3M group executives who have been charged under this scam. Point number 4. Driver Puran Bahadur became a director in Misty Meadows, a shell company of M3M Group, from 9th August 2010 to 15th December 2010. So August, September, October, November, December. Less than 5 months. Less than almost 4 months only. Roop Kumar Bansal and Basant Bansal were also directors in Mystery Meadows between 6th June 1997 to 6th December 2010. So they were directors, while their driver Puran Bahadur also was made a driver. He was made, point number 5, the driver was made as a director with the power to sign all agreements on behalf of Misty Meadows with developer companies in 4 months period when he was director. But Bansals did not sign the agreements. So they made the proxy, the driver as a director, so that all the agreements will be signed by this driver director on behalf of M3M company, Misty Meadows, and the agreements between the developers. Point number 6. 5 shell companies, Base Realtors, Adi Build Well, Cygnus Prop Build, Innovative Real Tech, and Vision Multiplex of M3M Group companies. These 5 companies are shell companies of M3M Group, and there are 10 IREO Group companies transferred Rs 404 crore to 5 shell companies of 3 M3M companies. Again, 17 M3M group companies were used for layering the transaction. Normally what these people do is they won't transfer directly to the one company to another. They will be using multiple companies for transferring from one company to another, from that company to next company to next company, and ultimately it will land up in from IERO company to M3M company. All the company, so that means that from IERO company they have siphoned off funds to the extent of 400 crore to M3M company group. All these companies were involved in PMLA provisions, were charged under PMLA provisions, Money Laundering Act. 15 new persons were arrested and 30 companies are accused in supplementary charge sheet. Apart from the directors who are being arrested from M3M, Bansals, the relatives, another 15 persons were arrested, maybe including the driver Bahadur would have been arrested, and 30 companies were also accused in the supplementary charge sheet. So that means that this case is taking a wild turn, and it will be very difficult for these people to again start their business in near future. So it is better you people either you have multiple options for recovering your money or getting possession of the flat which is being promised by these people. If you have paid a substantial money, it is more number of years have passed, please take legal action so that you will get back the flat which has been promised by this builder. At least the courts will order NCLT. When you go to the insolvency proceeding against these people, they will as property buyers, if you flat buyers, if you people go to NCLT, they will give you a relief by appointing another builder for completing the project and handing over the possession. This is the latest Supreme Court judgment. Because of that, you will get the relief. Please, home buyers, please be not panic. Please join together. Only as a group you people can fight these big shots who have swindled a lot of money. So that means that these people are having more money. So it is better to approach legal steps. At least in 1 or 2 years time, you will get the possession of the flat which has been promised to you, mostly at the cost which has been promised. Maybe if the completion is very less, you may have to pay some money for completion, and you will get possession of a flat which every middle class person is desiring or dreaming. Please take legal consultants, legal advice from legal luminaries who are in this field. As a financial advisor who is looking at the various real estate company problems, you can always get the possession of the flat which has been promised, even if it is delayed. When the NCLT will appoint an alternate developer for developing that project or completing the project which is already taken up. Or if you are at least you can ask for the land which has been purchased. You people can share the land, because if you have paid 7 years, 8 years, 10 years back, the land cost would have appreciated. That way, if you get the land, at least you can construct the the building which will be not much costlier. Please take proper legal steps after consulting the advocates since you people are in Delhi. Most of the projects are in Delhi. People can consult even the Supreme Court lawyers, the best legal luminaries in Supreme Court. Even if it is high cost, if you combine together all the legal flat owners who have yet to get the possession, you can get possession of the flat. Wish you all the best. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and please share the video as much as possible.